Well, we're already in summer, but it's never too late for a nice summer project. Well, today I'm bringing you loads of good ideas for summer sewing projects. I haven't counted them, but it's a lot of useful things we have to take advantage of during these years, and especially me with the swimming costumes. But if there's something you would like to be seeing and have a sewing tutorial about it, let me know, because I promise I'll make it. Well, if you're like me and you love sewing and talking about sewing, consider subscribing, and that way you don't miss anything. And we can talk on Instagram as well, and even send messages and pictures of projects. Well, this is going to be lots of stuff. I'm going to create a list so you can have a look at everything, as well as another one on the description box below, so you can have a look at whichever video you like the most and you would like to see with more detail. And of course, we have to start with the beach bag. This one I made a few years ago, and we've used it ever since. It's all lined in plastic, and it even has pockets on the inside, so all your stuff is nice and organized. But the problem is that plastic sometimes rips, and this is what's happening to it. But good news, I have another beautiful fabric in turquoise. Somehow it seems like it's a theme here. I like turquoise and coral. So this time what I'm going to make is a backpack, a wide and sort of squarey backpack to carry everything. The thing is that I always carry my beach bag up to the top. You could rip seams with it. It's just too much and too heavy and uncomfortable to carry it. So I think, because my husband carries it and he prefers a backpack will be better. We're gonna try. Let's see how it goes. But if you already have a beach bag and don't want all the hassle of making one, this is ideal. This is a bag organizer, but for the beach. It's all in plastic. It has pockets, as you can see, for your sunglasses, for your cream, for your bottles and stuff. And it's really comfy. You just stick it in your beach bag and that's it. I've used it a lot and I'll keep using it. Really good. Plastic is really good to sew. The only thing is that sometimes it can rip if you put too much stuff in the bag, but for little projects it's ideal. I also have these I made. These are ideal for wet swimming costumes to put on to carry back home. And this plastic was better, I think. It's thicker, but it's softer. And it's really good for everything. I also made a sunglasses case, lots of things. I'll leave you the link for everything. And talking about bags, I also have this one I made not long ago with a shower curtain. It's ideal because we're recycling stuff, and it's the best way, really. And one project my son is delighted with is the pouch bag for the ice lollies. It's really nice for the children so they don't get their fingers all cold. And I made it with this really nice fabric with ice creams, and it's really good. My son loves it. I left it upstairs, but that's why we have pictures of it. And then if you want to take food to the beach, what do you take? Any bag, really. But if you have a lunch bag, it's ideal. This one is really good. It's quite big and it folds itself. You just roll it down and it has this lock. So it's really good. I love it. And you can even make it with insulation material, so everything stays cold as well. And let's start with all the swimming costumes and bikinis I have. I didn't know I have this many. This is the first bikini I made, which is really nice. It's comfy, no problem with it at all. It has a triangular shape and it was comfy. And this swimming costume, which I wore yesterday, I love the cut of it because it's really deep. The neckline and really nice, and everything is lined. but I don't like this lining I used at first. It reminds me of the 90s tights. It's this sort of foamy fabric which gives me I don't like it. But then the rest of them I lined with another kind of lining, which is like, it's like a swimming costume fabric but thinner, which is really good. And next, the year after, I made these swimming costumes, which I really like, although I had 3 trials at them because I didn't quite get the look I wanted it. So the thing is that it's the other way around. I wanted to make a pleated side costume, and the pleats on the first one didn't turn out great. And then on the second one they did, but I had a problem with the back and I had to sew it because the lining was showing, if I don't remember wrong. And then the third one was the one that is like it was supposed to be. And it's really nice. I love the color, the teal, it's really pretty. Then I made one that is asymmetrical, which I really like for swimming costumes. I don't know what's wrong with me and asymmetrical cuts. I don't have that many dresses or anything asymmetrical. I think I've only sewn once. And it's really nice and I love it in swimming wear. But well, let's see, I have to sew some more. And this one is reversible. So instead of sewing a lining, I sewed another fabric instead, which is really good because you have 2 looks. And then another asymmetrical one I made was this fruity bikini, which is really nice as well. This one has a ruffle. If I get it the right shape, yeah, that. It has a ruffle all around. It's comfy, it's nice, and the fabric is really fun. And with the same fabric, I ended up doing this one the next year. It has a cowl neck, and then it's made with all this fancy elastic band, which is really appealing. It's really nice. I love it. And with the same costume, this one is here by, I don't know, by chance. I made my son a pair of shorts, and then last year I took them in for my daughter because we were going on holiday and I just realized I didn't have a swimming costume for her. She was only a baby, so I just took in this and added a ruffle and she wore it. And then this bikini, I think this is the one I've worn the most because it's a bandeau, so you don't have any worries about getting suntan lines all around, and it's really comfy. I even wore it during all my pregnancy and it's just perfect. It's really good. And one project my son is delighted with is the pouch bag for the ice lollies. It's really nice for the children so they don't get their fingers all cold. And I made it with this really nice fabric with ice creams and it's really good. My son loves it. I left it upstairs, but that's why we have pictures of it. And what happens if you're at the beach or in the swimming pool and you need to go and get an ice cream? You need a cover up, and this one is ideal because it's just a round piece of chiffon which has no back or forth. You just throw it on and that's it. It's really glamorous, it's ideal because you don't have to think of which side. It's just that way and that's it. So it's really good. You just shake it and that's it. It doesn't get wrinkly or anything, so it's really good. And the other one I did, which I think it's made out of a curtain piece of fabric, is this one, which is really glamorous. I think you just put it on and you gather the back like so, and that's it. You have this really glamorous look to go and get your iced coffee or whatever drink. It's really nice, and it has all this detail on the bottom, which I think is really nice as well. Oh, es más arena y mi marido limpió ayer. Well, I think this is everything I wanted to show you, but if there's something else, I leave it here right now and in the description box. And don't forget to tell me any projects you would like to see in the sewing channel, because sometimes you get ideas I don't, or you think of something I haven't, and that's really good. So let me know in the comments what you thought, and I'll see you around. Don't forget to subscribe, hype and like. Bye, and share it with someone who might enjoy it as well.